the farmer, they are working in the farming field there. Someone this is the playground where I have spent my maximum time. This is the very mid of the jungle, and here you can't be able to see no one. How looks like my village? What's all are here? Because there is, mother cow. There is also another one. I am visiting through this bike. This is my brother's bike. Guys, I have taken one mob. What looks like my village? I am gonna share with you all everything. What's all are here in my village? Our paddy field, our red road, our playground where I played my maximum time. Basically, I spend my maximum time here in my village. My friends, how looks like jungle, everything I'm gonna share with you all through this video. So keep watching till the last. After a long time today I have come here to my village, and I thought I can share with you all how looks like my village, our beautiful everything. But I can't show you my family because my family, they don't want to come to the camera. They're, they don't want to come, so that's why I can't share. There is no permission, so only I will share how it looks like my village. So keep watching. This is the first time I'm making video from my village, so keep watching till the last. Guys, I have taken one mug water, and now I'm gonna share with you all that how many actually trees are here, actually fruits trees. I'm gonna share with you. At first I would like to show you here. There is guys jackfruit tree. As you can see, there is so many jackfruit, and there is in the distance there is our garden also. There is so many jackfruit you will be able to see, but I can't go there. But I would like to share with you. Here you can see there is so many jackfruit, and this is a orange tree, very little, but there is so many oranges are here. As you can see, there is very so many oranges are here. As you can see, here is also, and there is bell tree. I don't know what is the English. There is bell tree. There is two bell tree. There is one, and there is another one. So this is our outside of our building. There is our building, as you can see, and she is my grandmother. As you can see, she is very much happy that after a long time I have come here to my village, so that's why she is very much happy. And this is our paloi. I don't know what is the English. As you can see, actually paddy, I don't know English, so this is paloi. In our local language we say paloi. And there is little garden I would like to share with you all. There is so many vegetables are here. As you can see, brinjal, and a lot of vegetables are here. Brinjal and also kundri, I don't know English. A lot of vegetables, papaya tree, there is sojne data, and all these are here. And this is the coconut tree. And last year before last year I actually planted that tree. And there is also, I would like to show you, there is a mango tree which is I have planted. This one is, and it is now very much big, as you can see. And there is also a guava tree. As you can see, this one I have planted, this one, and also another one is in the behind side, there is maybe. So there is two guava. And here you will be able to see maximum trees are here. I would like to share with you all that maximum trees are bamboo. As you can see, this is actually a garden of bamboo. You will be able to see here. You can see now, this is actually bamboo garden. You can see everywhere you will be able to see bamboo. Bamboo jhad. In Bengali language we say bamboo jhad. And just see. And from here we actually get very much cold air, fresh air, very close to our room, actually to our building, this garden. So from here we get very much cold air. Just see, this is a very much jungle. So this is our beautiful village, you can say, and beautiful outside of our building. Just see guys, just see how beautiful this place. And also I'm gonna share with you paddy field. So now I would like to go to the outside to show you paddy field. So keep watching till the last, guys. Till the last. Today I am visiting through this bike. This is my brother's bike, and today I have out by alone, and I'm gonna exploring my village, and I'm gonna share with you everything. And this is not my village, so I have out to see jungle and our paddy field and lot of things I have out to see. So keep watching guys till the last. And I am driving now, as you can see. I am driving now. This is so the playground where I have spent my maximum time. I have played here cricket, football, kabaddi, and a lot of games I have played here. This is the actually ground where is I have very much emotion. So many too much emotion there is. I have spent my maximum time here, and here there was a tree, but that is not now here. There was a very guava tree there was, but that is not actually not there. And as you can see, this is the jungle from our actually ground. And from ground there is starting jungle. As you can see, end of the ground, from there it is starting jungle, and it is very big jungle. And this side there is our village. And now I'm going towards jungle, so keep now watching. I am at mid of the jungle. I have come here to show you how looks like our jungle. And now I'm here. As you can see, this is our beautiful jungle. Here is so many trees, and this is the mid of the jungle. And from mid of the jungle there is a road. It is going towards Bhangadole, and this is the very mid of the jungle. And here you can't be able to see no one because it is very much sunny day, and there is no one in this jungle. And from here I am getting very much fresh air, very much fresh air. And just see how beautiful our jungle. And little I am getting noise of birds from this side, this side, this side. Every side I'm getting noise, the music of birds. And today it's a very much sunny day, you can see. And although in the farming field there is the farmer, they are working in the farming field. There someone is there, they are actually working in the farming field. In the distance they are working. You can see there is so many cows are here, also goat, and so many animals are here. And there is coming a bhodvoti, you can say in Bengali language, I don't know English. So all these are paddy field, but there is no paddy actually. And there is grass now only, there is only grass now here. And this is the car guys. As you can see, there is so many paddy something today, but it's a very much sunny day, you can see. And just see the weather today. And I am here. Yeah, it's very much sunny day today guys. And after coming here I am looking that farmer, those who are farmer, they are very hardworking man. In this high temperature they are working here. They don't have any problem, they don't need any fan. They are getting only fresh air from the jungle. Just see this side jungle, everywhere you will be able to see green. Everywhere is greenery, everywhere. And they are taking rest in the shade of this tree. So just see, there is cow guys. Just see, there is so many cows. They are actually taking their meal. They are taking in this ground. There is just 2-3 goats they are eating. This is the evening time, and they are eating grass in this farming field, as you can see. And this is the evening time. It is going to evening now. And here is so many animal are here. There is cow. This side also there is a cow. As you can see, they are eating grass. There is mother cow. There is also another one. They are eating grass, green soft grass. And here is also another one. This side this side there is so many cows. As you can see, there is dog also, they are playing in the distance. In the distance there is banana garden, and also vegetable fields are here. And I am here. I have come here to see the evening. After a long time I have come here to see the evening of village. Basically I am from village background student. I am from Bankura. There is a small village every side is jungle, and mid of the jungle there is our little village, and I stay here. But nowadays I not live at my village, I live in Calcutta. But I miss this village very much, a lot I miss, because here everywhere you will be able to see greenery, everywhere you will be able to see greenery and fresh air you can get from here. Fresh vegetables, fresh fish, fresh poultry, fresh egg, you know, fresh fruits, everything you can get fresh. But in Calcutta it is not possible to get fresh everything. So, and also now I am getting fresh, and today I am feeling very much happy because after a long time I've got actually my family. So really that's why I am very much happy. And now I would like to eat, papaya, because there is a papaya tree, and from there I can get papaya because there is ripe papaya. As you can see, there is so many papaya. I can get any papaya, and that will be very much sweet. Just see, so I would like to take one, but which one I can take? Video করছি. So from this side I can get. There is also another one which is very much ripe. This one. Okay, this one I have taken, and I would like to eat this one. Maybe it will be very much sweet. So at first I would like to go to my room, and after that I will eat. And you can see the weather today. This evening it is going to evening, and I took my sleep. I was feeling very much very much tired, so that's why I took a very big sleep today. Yesterday I came by bus from Calcutta. So this is the Godhuli time. So that's all for today's video. I'll be back in another new vlog, another new fresh video for you all. Till then, stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Tada, bye bye.